In a peaceful little town surrounded by endless green fields, there lived a young man named Adam. He was born into a simple family. His father, John, was a hard-working farmer, and his mother, Linda, stitched clothes to earn a little extra money. Life was not easy, and they struggled to make a decent living. However, their home was always filled with kindness and affection. From a young age, Adam was eager to learn. He loved reading books and often sat under a big oak tree, dreaming of a better future, not just for himself, but for his whole town. But in their town, people believed that a farmer's son could only become a farmer. They thought dreaming big was foolish. As Adam grew older, he saw how difficult life was for his family. His father worked long hours in the fields, but no matter how hard he worked, their income was never enough. Droughts, pests, and the high cost of fertilizers made things worse. Every year, they struggled to survive. One evening, after helping his father in the fields, Adam sat on the porch thinking deeply. He had read about organic farming and how natural fertilizers could help crops grow while saving money for farmers. If I can make a cheap and effective organic fertilizer, it will help farmers like my father, he thought. It was a great idea, but there was one big problem. He had no money to start. Adam was determined. He took a part-time job at a small grocery store while studying in college. He saved every dollar he could, often skipping meals or walking long distances to avoid spending money. After months of saving, he finally had enough to set up a small workshop in his backyard. He collected farm waste, cow dung, and natural minerals to create his first batch of organic fertilizer. He spent many sleepless nights reading books, testing formulas, and improving his product. Finally, the day came. Since his family's farm was already in the middle of a growing cycle and not the ideal time for testing, Adam decided to take his fertilizer to local farmers instead. He was excited to share his idea, believing it could make a real difference in their lives. But things did not go as he expected. The farmers did not trust him. Some laughed at him, saying he was just a boy playing with dirt. Others refused to listen. A few farmers agreed to try it, but when they did not see immediate results, they gave up. Word spread quickly, and soon the whole town mocked him. A farmer's son trying to be a businessman. Stick to what you know, Adam, they said, laughing. His heart broke. He had put in so much effort, yet nobody believed in him. For days, Adam locked himself in his room, thinking, maybe they are right. Maybe I was wrong to dream. But one evening, his mother sat beside him and said, failures are just steps towards success. If you keep walking, you will reach your goal. Her words gave him strength. He decided to find out what went wrong instead of giving up. He met with agricultural experts, studied more, and spoke to farmers to understand their real problems. He changed his formula to make it better. This time, instead of selling, he gave away free samples and asked for feedback. Weeks passed, and something amazing happened. Farmers noticed that their soil was improving and their crops were growing better. Slowly, trust grew. Orders started coming in. Adam worked harder than ever. He reinvested all his earnings, improved his production, and moved from his backyard to a small factory. Soon, his fertilizers reached nearby towns, and his dream started becoming real. Just when everything seemed to be going well, disaster struck. One night, due to a faulty wire, a fire broke out in his factory. Within minutes, everything burned down: his machines, his stock, and his hard work of many years. Adam stood in front of the ruins, heartbroken. Everything he had worked for was gone. For the first time, he thought of quitting. Maybe this is a sign that I was never meant to succeed, he whispered. But then, he saw his parents standing nearby. They weren't sad. Instead, they looked proud. His father placed a hand on his shoulder and said, "You built this once. You can build it again. Those words changed everything. Adam realized that failure was not the end, it was a test. With new determination, Adam looked for help. He reached out to investors who had seen the impact of his fertilizers, took a small loan, and restarted his business. He worked harder than before, and in a few years, his company became one of the biggest organic fertilizer brands in the country. He not only changed his own life, but also helped thousands of farmers improve their harvests and income. But Adam didn't stop there. He started a foundation to help young entrepreneurs, ensuring that no dream was crushed due to a lack of money or support. One day, at a press conference, a journalist asked him, "What kept you going despite all the failures?" Adam smiled and said, "Success is not about never falling, it is about getting up every time you fall. Life will challenge you, break you, and make you doubt yourself. But if you never give up, you will rise stronger than ever."